How to use nutrition to cure ulcers. The type of discomfort and pain most ulcer patients experience is what inspired me to discuss this topic today. Welcome to Eat Fit Therapy. This channel will teach you how to use everything nutrition as medicine to heal the body and solve most problems people are facing about nutrition, cooking, and eating food. Because everyday good nutrition is for everyday good health. Please subscribe, like, share and toggle the bell icon for future notifications for our future post. How to use nutrition to cure ulcers. Ulcers are painful open sores that develop on the inner lining of the stomach or in the upper part of the small intestine. They can affect anyone, and are not always related to food, but stress and medications can also cause them. One way to help prevent ulcers from developing or recurring is through diet and good nutrition, which can help ensure that your body has all the nutrients it needs to function effectively. Here are some healthy foods to try in place of salt and other ingredients that may be contributing to your ulcer symptoms. What is an ulcer? An ulcer is a sore on the lining of the stomach or duodenum. The most common symptom of an ulcer is a burning or gnawing pain in the abdomen between the breastbone and navel, usually occurring when the stomach is empty. Other symptoms may include bloating, belching, nausea, vomiting, weight loss, and fatigue. What are some treatments for an ulcer? There are many different treatments for ulcers, and the best one depends on the severity of your ulcer and what caused it. If you have a mild ulcer, you may be able to treat it at home with over-the-counter medication. If you have a more severe ulcer, you may need prescription medication or surgery. You can also help heal your ulcer and prevent it from coming back by eating a healthy diet and avoiding foods that trigger your symptoms. 3 ways to kick an ulcers but with food. Eat more ginger. This fiery root is known for its ability to calm an upset stomach and speed up healing. Fresh ginger works best, but you can also find it in supplement form at your local health food store. 2. Add more acid to your diet. That might sound counterintuitive, but foods like yogurt and sauerkraut can actually help balance the acid levels in your stomach and promote healing. 3. Load up on antioxidants. Why is this diet so effective? The Pritikin diet is effective for treating ulcers for several reasons. First, it's high in fiber, which helps to bulk up stools and make them less irritating to the digestive tract. Second, it's low in fat, which decreases the amount of acid produced in the stomach. Third, it's high in antioxidants, which help to heal the lining of the stomach. Fourth, it includes probiotics, which help to restore healthy gut bacteria. The science behind the food choices. When you have an ulcer, the lining of your stomach or small intestine is inflamed. This causes pain, often described as a burning sensation, and can make it difficult to digest food. There are a few different ways that nutrition can help heal an ulcer. First, certain foods can help coat the lining of the stomach and protect it from further damage. This includes foods like yogurt and oatmeal. A sample meal planned for healing an ulcer. Start your day with a cup of warm water and the juice of half a lemon. For breakfast, have oatmeal with fresh berries and almond milk. For lunch, have a salad with grilled chicken or fish, quinoa or brown rice, and lots of veggies. For dinner, have cooked veggies, grilled chicken or fish, and brown rice. Finish your day with a cup of herbal tea. Curing ulcer may take some time and effort, but it will be worth it in the end. Here are a few tips to help you stick with your new nutritional regimen. Find a friend or family member who can support you and hold you accountable. Make sure you have all the supplies you need on hand, such as healthy foods and supplements. Stick goals for yourself and track your progress. And if you have questions to ask, feel free to mail your questions to the email address provided. Also join our Instagram feed and Facebook community for discussions on best way to eat. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and toggle the bell icon for future notifications for our future post. Thank you.